Good morning students. Today's topic is the DNA fingerprint. So generally fingerprints means any image is taken is called the fingerprint. Here DNA image is taken is called the DNA fingerprint. 99.9% of all human is containing the same gene. And if you taken that 3 into 10 to the power of 9 base pair sequence present in total gene, you want to verify that gene. If you want to compare the DNA of any two persons, studying of the 2 into 3 into 10 to the power of 9 base pairs is very difficult. To overcome such problem, DNA fingerprint is helpful for us to study the DNA sequencing. In DNA fingerprint involves some specific regions in the DNA sequencing is called the repetitive DNA. So this repetitive DNA is separated from bulk DNA by different methods. It is also called the satellite DNA. Whatever that repetitive DNA is present, that is also called the satellite DNA. That means repetitive DNA means here base pairs are repeated so many times. So that repeated so many times base pairs is called the satellite DNA. For example, if you consider the AT, adenine thymine, RGC, if it is repeated continuously, then we are calling it is a repetitive DNA or the satellite DNA. Most of our DNA is made up of these repetitive DNA only. If the base pairs are repeating 1 to 10 base pairs, then it is called the micro DNA or the microsatellite. If the base pairs are repeated 10 to 100 base pairs, that means the 10 base pairs sequence is there, that is repeating every time, then it is called the mini DNA. Macro DNA means 1000 base pairs are more than that is repeating, then we are calling it is a macro DNA. Micro means 1 to 10 base pairs, mini means 10 to 100 base pairs, and macro means more than 1000 base pairs are repeating here. So what is the function of this satellite DNA is? Satellite DNA not coding any protein. Is it coding any protein? No. Only it is the portion of human DNA which is containing these DNA is showing the polymorphism. It is never participating in the protein synthesis. It is helps in the showing the polymorphism. This satellite DNA is also called the variable number of tandem repeats. What we are calling it is a variable number of tandem repeats. So these satellite DNA are the variable number of tandem repeats. They are helpful for the evolution, speciation, such polymorphism. All these will be takes place due to these polymorphism. This polymorphism is occurred due to the mutation. It is also increased. That mutation is if it is takes place only one generation, it is not considerable. It is when it is considerable that mutation, it is accumulated through the generations to the generations. Then only it causing the polymorphism, evolution, new species formation. If one generation mutation is occurred, it is not enough for the forming the evolution. So it should be accumulated through the generation to the generation. Variable number of tandem repeats size vary from 0.1 to 20 kb. So probe is attached to these variable number of tandem repeats, and by autoradiography they developing the bands. In same chromosome, if you taken any chromosome of two persons, these VNTRs are differently present except identical twins. In same chromosome, if you taken same chromosome, second or any 17 chromosome, any chromosome if you are taken, these VNTRs are different for the two individuals, even same parents also there, but except in identical twins. In twins only these VNTRs are matched. Even parent to their sons and grandsons also it is not matched. So these VNTRs are different for chromosomes of every individual. So basing of these VNTRs, DNA fingerprint will be developed. Once I repeating here, DNA fingerprint. What is the DNA fingerprint? Developing the picture of DNA. Even humans are containing 99.9% of the same DNA. Studying of total gene, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 9 base pairs, is very difficult. That means 2 persons DNA studying is very difficult. In such cases, in DNA they are taking the fingerprints. So which part they are mainly considering is repetitive DNA. So what is repetitive DNA is, here the base pairs are repeated continuously. That repetitive DNA is also called the satellite DNA. Based on the number of DNAs, base pairs, the satellite DNAs are divided into 3 types. Micro DNA is 1 to 10 base pairs, mini DNA is 10 to 100 base pairs, macro more than 1000. That means these much base pairs are repeating. 10 base pairs, 1 base pair is repeating continuously, micro DNA. For example, 80. 80 is continuously repeating, then it is called the micro DNA. GC is continuously repeating, micro DNA. Like 10 base pairs, 80 GC, like 10 base pairs are repeating continuously, then we are calling it is a mini DNA. So what is the role of these satellite DNA in DNA? Satellite DNA is not synthesize the protein, it is mainly play the role in the polymorphism. So these satellite DNA is also called the variable number of tandem repeats, because these repeated DNA means here tandem, vary, differently present the number. So that's why we are calling it is a VNTRS. What is the use of these VNTRS is the evolution and species formation and polymorphism. So how it is occur is due to the mutation. It is not only one generation. If it is accumulated only it takes place. This size is varying. VNTR size is varying 0.1 to 20 kb. Probe is attached to these VNTRs and take the autoradiograph to develop the bands. These VNTRs are different from any two persons, any two individuals, except identical twins if you are considered. So this is about the introduction of DNA fingerprint. How the DNA fingerprint is developing is now we will study.